What is up, guys? Osmo Action 6 is finally released. The new action camera from DJI is available here. As for now, it was released for Chinese market. In 3 days it will be released everywhere around the globe. So actually that's the all-around flagship action camera. That's how it looks like. A bit modern, refreshed design and much better than previous Osmo Action 5 Pro. So if you're deciding right now what to buy, just wait a bit and buy Osmo Action 6. It will cost around 3,000 yuan, which is around $420. I guess the global price may be $450. So let's see after its release. As for now, so you see how it looks like. It's a bit updated, refreshed design. 50 gigabytes of internal storage, new sensors. That's actually the biggest advantage, is new 1.1 inch square sensor. Actually now you can record in square resolution 4K and then cut to your stories format or regular video format. Also you have low temperature resistance and ultra long battery life, 240 minutes of recording, so actually similar with previous DJI. Also, you've got variable apertures. That's actually quite unique for action cameras, f2.0 to f4.0. What does it mean? That you can, depends on the light condition, you can increase the light or decrease. It will really help for scenarios where the light is not good. So actually, I think by default you will use f4.0 in good light condition. When it's bad light condition, it can be enlarge the aperture and have up to 2.0. Also you have the dual microphone direct connection, 20 meters waterproof without casing. Here it's more about variable aperture here. That's how it will work, and it's first action camera with variable aperture here. And as you see in this advertisement video, you can just change the zoom, larger aperture, more shooting potential here. In low light conditions, multiply adjusted aperture. You see here how it's defined, so you can change like this. I guess also it will be automatically changing based on light conditions. You see it's opening up and closing. Starlight mode also available. Image quality. So here is about the sensor. Finally, it's larger, greater confidence. It's a new upgraded sensor, 1.1 higher inch sensor, 4K 220 fps, 4.3 resolution, ultra high definition video recording available. Here you have all the other characteristics here, and then you see you can crop up to your preferences. If you record in square, you can do both. Super nice scene available, so you see here with upgraded pure image quality. That's a regular one, that's a super nice scene. 10-bit D-Log recording, slow motion 4K 120 fps, also 160 fps is supported. I guess it's in full HD only. High specification shooting, so what you have, multi-mode stabilization, lossless zoom, 2x, actually also quite nice to have. Film tones, portrait mode, high speed continuous shooting, many features available. Actually, let's compare it. What they advertise is here on DJI Osmo Audio. That's what they show about all new wide lenses, brand new macro lens. If you need to use it, of course, they also will be available. The app, it's works like this. You have the speed, you have the even heart rate from somewhere. Also hardcore performance upgrade, 50 gigabytes of internal storage, dual OLED high brightness touchscreen, gesture control, GPS and Bluetooth remote control, and low temperature resistance. That's what they advertise, at least. Here what they have from the characteristics: fast charging of the battery, 22 minutes can charge up to 80%, 52 minutes to 100, Wi-Fi live streaming, high-speed transmission, so you have USB 3.1, fast charging cable, transfer up to 300 megabits per second, also Wi-Fi 6, pre-recorder available. Actually, pre-recorder was this: when the pre-recording functions enable, the shutter button is pressed, the camera can retain up to 5 minutes of previously recorded footage. Quite nice to have it. Two-way magnetic quick release. Okay, here is powerful accessories available for these cameras. And now the comparison here, of course, the price you see here is 2.2 actually. The price difference is around $100. The sensors enlarged, as you see, the previously in Action 5 Pro and Action 4 it was 1.3, now it's 1.1, which is much better. HDR supported, new 4K free cropping image, aperture it was 2.8, now it's from 2 to 4, it is also quite nice. 2 OLED screen, so this similar. The 20 meters, why they advertise it that much, it's actually similar. Steady stabilization 3.0, also same for both of them, but 2.7K horizon steady stabilization, now it's 4K horizon stable stabilization available. Wi-Fi 6 up to 80 megabits per second, similar in both cameras. Built-in pressure usage, actually also for both. Built-in storage is 3 gigabytes. Before it was only voice intelligent control, now gesture and voice. And actually that's pretty much it. So let's wait for official release in Europe and America. And then the price I assume will be around $450, which is still good for this option. And I really recommend you to wait, don't buy the Osmo Action 5 Pro, just wait for Osmo Action 6.